Morning everyone, Mr. Allen here for our shout out assembly. It's Friday the 2nd of July and we're here for years 3, 4, 5 and 6. You're not going to see a great deal of me this morning, you're just going to see amazing children who have been brilliant all week long and deserve a massive shout out from all of you. So let's kick off this morning in Mr. Davidson. Look at these. Consistent, mature attitude. Absolutely brilliant. These guys are ready for high school. So let's give them a shout out. We've got Amelia, we've got Nassim, we've got Tedas, we've got Jamie, we've got Emily Rose, we've got Scarlett, Elia, Ella, Ellie, Summer, Nellas, Leon, Sophie, Harlow, Ruby, Julia and Lola. Let's give them a massive cheer, guys. Come on. Huge cheer in year 6 because they're absolutely superb. Well done, guys. And just keep it up. Keep it up when you get to year 7 as well, because actually you will really impress everyone. Well done, Mr. Davidson stars. Moving on, 6JP shout outs. Look, for volunteering to perform in drama activities and doing so confidently. Absolutely brilliant. Putting themselves forward, absolutely not being afraid. So really well done, guys. We've got a massive shout out. So we've got Zara, we've got Jeffrey, we've got Aston, we've got Miriam, we've got Lorenzo, Edric, Cody, Deanna, Callum, Dominic, Alex, Frankie and Jaden. Thank you guys, because actually that's just really impressive. Putting yourselves out there, really putting yourselves up, being amazing, being so confident as well. It's lovely, lovely to see, because what you're showing as well, you guys are absolutely ready for year 7. So well done, guys. Thank you so, so much. Moving on. Look at Miss Musselwhite Superstars. Look at these guys for always working as hard as they can. You've got Oliver, you've got Kenzie, Diego, Cornelius, Kendrick, Deanna. Well done, guys. Keep up that. Just amazing. Work as hard as you possibly can. You do that, you will succeed at anything in life, so keep it up. For wonderful writing, Goda, Bianca, Nadia, Lamin and Oscar. Look at those smile. Just make me smile. Look, Goda. Just make me smile, Goda. Just fantastic, guys. Brilliant, brilliant. And your handwriting is absolutely amazing with that as well. Not only the content of your writing. And then finally, for excellent work with coordinates, reflections and translations in maths. So we've got Colby, we've got Joshua, we've got Isabel, we've got Harley, and we've got Bart. You mathematicians, really well done. Fantastic, Miss Musselwhite Superstar. Let's give them a massive cheer, everyone. Come on. They deserve it. Well done. So proud of you. Moving on, Miss Atherton, super scientists, working really hard at science. Look at these guys. So we've got Damien, we've got Connor, we've got Adriel, we've got Milana, we've got Freya, we've got Amber, we've got Logan, Amelia, Lily Mae, Xavier, Amelia, Alicia, Lily, Brooklyn, Martin and Ashton. You super scientists. We need more scientists in this world, so keep it up, guys, because who knows, you could be finding the next vaccines for the next worldwide pandemic. No, only joking there, but absolutely keep up your super science work, guys. Really, really proud of you and thank you. Moving on. Look at these. For showing independence by always checking the work before showing an adult. Look at these year 4s. Absolutely brilliant. So we've got Jessica, we've got Eliza, we've got Bella, we've got Alicia, we've got Mia and Mia, we've got Kobe, Racer and Riley. Come on, everyone. Let's give them a massive cheer. Really well done. You just make all the teacher's job much, much easier because you're self-checking, which is just what you need to do when you get to year 5. So really well done, you superstars. Let's give them a massive cheer. Fantastic. Moving on, Mr. Pinnerstars, for amazing handwriting and fantastic presentation. Who doesn't love a bit of amazing, fantastic presentation? We've got Claudia, we've got Raya, we've got Sienna, we've got Gemma, Subhan, Dexter, Amelia, Layla, Alana, Lena, Andrea, and Olivia. Yes! Well done, guys. I'm so proud of you. Keep it up. Lovely smiley faces as well. So impressive. And it just looks amazing. But that's in all of your work. So really well done. Let's give them a massive cheer, everyone. Mr. Ackerman's super learners. These children have had a fantastic week. They've tried hard across the curriculum and have a great example to others. They certainly have. Look at these guys. A massive shout out to you. So you've got Lila, we've got Anne-Marie, we've got Bailey, Alfie Jack, we've got Cleo, Willow, Daniel, Alea, Heather, Tilly, Jack, Marshall, Oscar, Byron, Jack Fletcher, Oscar, Thea, and Berin. Look at you guys. We've got a massive shout out for you guys. And Jack there, Walter's getting another shout out because of his golden ticket as well. So super effort, guys. Really, really well done. So proud of. Come on, everyone. Let's give them a massive cheer. You superstars. Well done. Finally, here we go. Look at this. We are working really hard on beautiful joined handwriting in every piece of work. You certainly are. Look at this, Miss Whites. You superstars. Look, we got Eva. We got Joseph. We got Pandora. We got Caius. We got Mia, Jayla, Mandy, Esme, Angel, Summer, Lola, Milana, and Jakisha. You absolute superstar. Massive smiles on your face as well. You should be really proud of yourself because you've been doing amazing handwriting. Thank you so much. It looks so beautiful. But not only that, all of your work is beautifully presented. Come on, everyone. Let's give them a massive cheer in class, please, because they well deserve it. Really well done, superstars. Brilliant work, everyone. What an amazing week from everyone. If you didn't get on there, don't worry. Next week, get your opportunity. Come on, keep working brilliantly and see if you can get a massive shout out next week as well. But thank you, everyone, for being so amazing, so brilliant throughout this week. It has been phenomenal. Really well done. Have a lovely weekend, everyone. Until next week, bye-bye now.